Okay, so power tools. Power tools kind of says it all right there. It's tools that are powered. They could be powered by electric. They could be powered by a compressor. They could be powered pneumatic. There's a few different ways, by air. But these are, some of your basic tools, power tools that you'll see would be a cordless drill. They also have drills that aren't cordless. You plug them in. A reciprocating saw. Okay. This is a circular saw, and this one's powered by electric, obviously. And this one is by battery. Okay. So you got two different types there. This is a power drill. This also could be used as a like a small demo hammer, like real joints that are hard to get out. We'll put a chisel, which would be this one, and we can take joints out to clean up the area. This is your basic grinder. This is a 6-inch grinder. They go from 4-inch to up to 12, 14 inches that we actually use. And that means the diameter of the blade. This one here, this tool is a oscillating knife. So this tool, we actually use this to take the cut the caulking around windows when we have to take caulking out. So you put this in the caulk joint, and it's like the reciprocating saw, but it vibrates, and it'll remove the caulking really good. Okay, we actually use that to take out mortar joints too sometimes if they're soft enough. This is another grinder. This is a smaller one. So the difference between these two, besides the size and the brand, is the blade that's on them. Okay, and you can put either blade on either one. This is a diamond blade. This is a segmented blade. Okay, so actually this is what they call continuous cut. So there's no breaks in the blade. It's continuous, and I'll show you the segmented blade. It has little spaces in between. I prefer this one. It chips the stone less, or brick. And this is this blade is called a carborundum blade, and we use this one specifically to that was a bee trying to get me, specifically to cut metal. I'll show you how we use that. This is another machine. This is called a blower. And as we're cutting mortar joints, we used to use that a lot, but now today, when you're in the city, you have to use dustless machines. So this piece right here is a shroud, they call it. And what it does, you hook up a vacuum cleaner to this, and the vacuum cleaner takes all the dust away. And this is the segmented blade that I was talking about. So this has that little groove in between, where this one over here doesn't. Okay, so that's continuous cut, that's segmented. And like I said, it has a lot to do with how what type of cut you're making. This won't chip, the other one won't chip the brick or stone. Okay, and on every extension cord or coming out of the wall, we need, I'm sure you learned this in OSHA, this is the ground fault interrupter. Okay, so this has to always been plugged into whatever power tool we have. All right, so let me show you how some of these tools work.